Hello friends, today I am going to tell you another important lecture, that is how to join or combine text in different rows or columns. So I want to join the text in these rows. Here I put the equal sign and then text join, and then delimiter. I mean, this means that what are you using to separate two text from each other. So I am going to use space and then double comma and then followed by comma. True, ignore empty cells. False, include empty cells. This means that if you want to ignore the empty cells, like here I have, you can select this option. If you do not uh, want to ignore the empty cells, then you can select the second option. I will use this option, and then I will select the range where the text is located and then close the bracket. When I press the enter, I will have the text in a single cell. Pencil, it got from here, and then sharpener, and then rubber and paper and clips. Similarly, drag this below to apply to the following cells. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.